Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So Friday was pretty much nothing. So last week we ended up with a range bar, and the highs and lows of that range bar are fairly important at the moment, and I'll tell you now why. So firstly, we've got to cross over the moving averages here. So we've broken through, we've come back. This could be a test. So we did get this pin bar off the moving averages here. You can see this one here, just the wrong color, and we then headed into a bit of a range bar. So if you look left, you can see that's the zone of potential support, and we are pretty much still paying attention to that flag. Okay, so that's on the weekly. So if we start drilling down, you see we are ranging at the moment. There's our weekly upper and bottom levels, but look to the left, you can see we've been floating in those areas for quite some time. Oscillator's not giving us much information. Moving averages are flat and unfortunately in a bearish position, but they are flat. And the minute we get down to the 3 hour, you can see big up, big down, big up, big down. Still lots of confusion. Could argue that this is a flag here. Okay, so flag inside a range, which obviously means if you start dropping below the levels to downside, then you're looking to target the bottom of the range. So let's just get rid of that. Now, as soon as we get down to the hour and 15-minute, you're going to see where the structure is. So big up on Thursday with a bit of data, then sideways, and then a big down on Friday. Lots of noise at the moment. You've got high interest rates. Lots of people can't afford their houses, their cars, etc. So there is a big concern on a credit crunch at the moment, and that could impact a number of businesses negatively in the next couple of quarters. So this is where the fear is right now. We're moving all over the place. Still got fears of recession, got fears of bank collapse, we've got fears of credit crunch. So at the moment, this is still a very, very difficult situation to trade. And in amongst moving averages here, you'd want to break and retest of 33359, and then you'd head to the bottom of the range more than likely. And I would just be a little bit cautious. I would take that as my target. So that would be 33,100. And if you get down to 50-minute, because that's where you will see the trade happen, you can see we've already got a crossover here. A fairly strong move off the top. So that is your structure, and you might as well just put that level in there because that hasn't been tested. You can see there how strong that is. So if you get another rejection off here, 33,500, you need a pin bar or an inside bar, an engulfing bar off that, then you're looking for a move down. This is going to be your first target off that structure. 33,359. Drop below this, retest this. Again, same thing. Stop just above the structure, and then you're looking for the bottom of the range. So that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. I suspect we should continue to come and test some of these tails down here. Should be a fairly quiet Monday, so range-based trading. If this holds, and when I talk about this, I'm talking about 33,359. If this does hold, in other words, that trend line holds, then you're probably looking for a move back to the top here at 33,672. Getting above that and building a base above that gets a fairly clean break above structure, breaks quite a bit of structure as well, and it gives us an opportunity upside. So on the higher time frames, there's definitely merit for paying very close attention to a continuation up, but the lower time frames, it is the reverse. So you're trading the lower time frames, pay attention to them, just keep those higher time frames in the back of your head. So if you start breaking these structures higher up, then the higher time frame is probably going to play out. Okay, anyway, that's short and sweet of it today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.